Hi, this is my 15112 term project for Carnegie Mellon University. My project is called the Circuit Test, and it's an integrated learning environment for teaching the user digital logic. This is this intro screen, as you can see, and it has two options. We can either sign up, which I'm going to go ahead and do, and let's create a random ID. Let's say the Wizard of Cause. Yeah. And let's go ahead and put a password. Yeah, and okay. So now you can see we've signed up successfully. And yeah, so once we've signed up, we can go and log in to our main screen. And here we are. So we have four different topics we can choose. We have output prediction, simplification, K-maps, and weakness based. So in output prediction, let's go and go ahead and enter a difficulty, let's say 3. For output prediction, we are given a random circuit and we have to detect the output of the circuit. Now let's try put a solution as I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to work it out, but it's true. Oh, that's the wrong answer. All right. Yeah. So that's the output detection. If you got it right, then that's the right answer. But yeah, that's the right answer. Now, if you click on X, you go back to the start screen, no matter what screen you're on. Right. So now we can go ahead and go for K-maps. So let's put a difficulty of, let's go 3 again. And yeah, here we have. So we have a randomly generated function. As you can see, it's in the SOP form. So we have sigma 0, 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now let's actually try to get this one right. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and now we have 4. This is 7, that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, and 15. So now we can click on the check K-map button, and as you can see, we get the correct answer. Woohoo! Yeah. Now we can go back, and now let's try the simplification bit. Now let's go for a difficulty of 2. And simplification, we get a random function, which we need to, as you can see right here, and we need to give the most simplified output. Okay, actually, let's try to get this one wrong. Now, go for not A. And yeah, we got the wrong answer. And you can see it kind of makes a small pop-up on the screen. Yeah, okay, let's go back. And the final option we have is weakness-based testing, which gives a random option based on the user's weaknesses. So let's go for another difficulty of 2. And as you can see, it's created a circuit for us, which we again need to do the same. We need to do an output detection for. And let's see, that is 0. Oh, we got the wrong answer again. But let's just cheat our way through it, because, just for the purposes of the video. And normally a user will not be able to do that. Anyway, so those are the 4 options we have for our video for the user to learn through. Now we also have this handy help screen. If you click on the help button, you can look at the instructions. It tells the user what to do, and yeah, it gives all the instructions for the screen and also what each button does on the screen. So yeah, let's go back. Now let's just start all over again, and let's log in again. Oops. Yeah. Just takes a few seconds to load. Yeah. Now as you see, we're back to our main screen, and we can log in. I can show you the login feature. So let's go with something I already have. Actually, let me log in with another ID. Yeah. So yeah, here we are. We've logged in, and as you can see, this is the normal user screen and the weakness-based test. Now let me just explain how the weakness-based testing works real quick. So every time a user signs up, the username and password are added to the end of this to this database. As you can see, the Wizard of Cause is now part of our database, and you can also see that because there's a proper page created just for the Wizard of Cause. And yeah, so let's go look at an old one that's already played a little. So yeah, as you can see, we have the username as Mishi, the password is us, And oops, that's a little bad. Anyway, so and then there's a list of their weaknesses. So you can see this person's got a score of 4 on simplification. Now a positive score actually means that the person is doing bad. So the user's objective is to get the score down to 0. As soon as the score comes down to 0, the thing is not considered a weakness anymore. And yeah, and then they'll be out of the running for the weakness based thing. And yeah, that is my 15.112 term project. I hope you liked it. Thank you.